Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. In today's video, I'm going to review a very amazing product and it's the Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint. Etude House is a South Korean brand for cosmetics. I really like using Korean products because of their high quality. Etude House is the master of incredible cute products. So let's start with the review of this product and keep watching. It says Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint. The shade is Strawberry Aid and the size is 9.5 grams. It's made in Korea. It looks very fresh, juicy and clear. Let's look at the packaging now. It comes in this glass container with a plastic lid which has the applicator attached to it. You can clearly see the product from the bottle. It has a doe foot applicator which makes it really easy to apply and it holds most of the product. I'm going to swatch the tint and I'll also spread it here to show you the actual color. It has a rosy pink shade and the texture is watery as you already saw in the bottle. The tint absorbs and dries very quickly. It doesn't smudge. It's really very long lasting and stays on without being sticky. It's very light on the skin and you don't feel anything heavy applied on your skin. It has a very strong fruity smell. I noticed that they have some fruit extracts in the product which probably contributes to the fruity scent. Just lightly dab and spread this tint onto the lips. It takes one coat and your lips will be stained for hours. It will give a very nice pink color to the lips. Layers can be added for a bolder look of your lips. A quick tip here. For an even finish, keep your lips moisturized with a lip balm and also use a scrub to exfoliate. In this way, the tint won't settle in the cracks of your lips and they will become smooth. You can also apply this tint on the cheeks. Just put 2-3 drops on the apples of your cheeks and spread it quickly, just how I showed you here on my hand, and you will get a very nice natural flush of color. Water tints are best for applying on the cheeks. This water tint contains pomegranate extract and grapefruit extract. It's rich in vitamins and moisturizing ingredients which give a moisturizing feeling to the lips. This product comes in 3 different shades. One is the strawberry one and the other 2 shades are orange aid and cherry aid. It's really good for a no makeup natural look. If you're not in a mood to apply a lipstick, you can use this tint. I tap it on my lips with a finger and for more even coverage, you can use the applicator. On the cheeks, you can spread it with a brush and you're good to go. I felt that it stays for many hours without making my lips dry because the extracts present in it keep the lips hydrated. I absolutely love the smell and texture. The ingredients used are very basic and don't irritate the skin. It gives my lips a deep pink color and my face looks so fresh after its application. This has become one of my favorite products as it gives a very natural look. It's very easy to carry. I keep it in my bag so that I can use it whenever I want. This product gets into the skin, so you need an oil-based remover to remove it. The price of this product is very reasonable. You can say that you will get a good product at a good price. It's only for 29 dirhams. I got it from K-Secret, which is present in many malls in Dubai. This product is also easily available on Amazon.com and you can find it in many countries. So that was all for the review of this product. It's totally worth it and you won't regret buying this tint. If you found my video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments which tint do you use or if you're excited to try it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button too so you don't miss out my latest uploads. And see you all soon in the next video. Have a great day, much love and stay blessed.